Hi, today I show you an easy way to convert your photos into drawings. You just need 3 steps for that. So here is the first photo. You first duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J, or up here layer, duplicate layer. Then you change the blending mode from normal to color dodge. You go up to image, adjustments, invert. Now you can hardly see anything, but the magic starts now. You go on filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So here you have your drawing. You can change the radius here, so to make the effect stronger or less strong. So I think that is about fine. That's your first drawing. Let's do another one. We have that house here, so we duplicate the layer, Ctrl J, change the blending mode to color dodge, go to image, adjustments, invert, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and here we have our drawing. Let's try a third and last one, that fishing boat. Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, change the blending mode to color dodge, go to image, adjustments, invert, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and here's your painting. So that is the easy way, and sometimes you just want to do a bit more work on it. So for example, I would change that probably to a black and white drawing, and to make the effect a bit stronger I would use curves layer. So just drag down here and up here to get something like a little S curve. And maybe you also need a brightness contrast layer. More contrast, brightness down a little bit. Okay, then that is a shortcut to remember. To get all the levels into one, you press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, E. Now all the levels underneath are combined into one level up here. If you have toppers, then you could add a texture effect here, but that is just optional. I go to topper slabs, texture effects. And choose something that I like. Okay, just take that for now. So we went from here to here to here, and that would be my final result. Please check it out and post your results in the Facebook group. Thank you.